The first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello guys, welcome to DIY Repair Now. Today we're going to be working on this GE dryer. The model number it's on the display in case you guys want to order a part with this model number or if it's similar. This is a basic dryer. The problem that we have with this dryer is that the timer knob is broken and the customer tried to do a couple things and basically he kind of stripped the timer tip, so it's kind of worn out. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting a little piece of tape because in the process I'm gonna go ahead and use some epoxy glue, and that little piece of tape is just gonna prevent for the glue going all the way to the timer. So this is the purpose for this piece of tape. Just stick it in there, that way when you put the epoxy, the glue, it doesn't go all the way into the timer. Then if it gets to the timer, then the timer is not gonna move neither way. So that's the little piece of metal that strips the timer tip. So even if I got the new one, as you see, this is the old one, this is the one make that tip to strip. I also go ahead and order these knobs because the customer removed these knobs from here to be able to make that timer with those little knobs as well. So basically these knobs were good, but he was just removing those to put them on the timer. And what happened with these timers is that after a while they kind of get hard to turn and break the timer knob, and then it kind of starts tripping because you will start putting things on the timer knob to make it work. Or in some cases people use some pliers to be able to turn the timer. So but the timer is still working fine. So in this case we're gonna put some epoxy on the new knob to make the timer tip graph better. Basically whatever part is stripped, the epoxy glue will compensate whatever is stripped, and it's gonna make a better grab for the knob. I also find that some people is turning the knob and not knowing that the timer is not spinning. They only spinning the knob, but the timer is not turning. That's what I meant, turning. And people say, well, it's not working, but it's not that it's not working. The timer is not doing what it's supposed to. The timer is not turning. The only one is turning is the knob, and you're thinking that it's the dryer that's not working. So go ahead and check your timer, and this is the solution for that. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.